Want to listen to your favorite music on your iPhone? If you have a music library on your computer, transferring it to your iPhone is easy. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer music using iTunes, cloud services, third-party tools, and Bluetooth, so you can expand your playlist. Part 1. How to transfer music from computer to iPhone without iTunes. Use iPhone Music Transfer Tool. If you are looking for a convenient third-party tool to manage your iOS file transfer, iOS Transfer is one of the most versatile and user-friendly options. Step 1. Launch iOS Transfer. First, download and install the iOS Transfer software on your computer. Once installed, open the program and connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB data cable. Step 2. View music on iPhone. The software detects your iPhone and displays its details. Select Music from the left menu to browse your files. Step 3. Add music to iPhone. Click Music, then Add from the top menu. Choose the songs from your computer to transfer. Use a cloud service Dropbox. Install Dropbox on both your PC and iPhone, and sign in with the same account. Upload music from your PC to Dropbox, wait for sync, then open Dropbox on your iPhone, select and download the music to your iPhone. Use a streaming app. Install and open the Apple Music app on your PC, then log in, click Playlists New Playlist and add music by selecting the files, customize the playlist and click Done to save. Open the app on your iPhone, find the playlist, and enjoy. Use AirDrop. On your iPhone, open Control Center, press and hold the box in the upper left corner and select AirDrop from the options. Select Contacts Only or Everyone to enable AirDrop. On your Mac, open Finder and select AirDrop. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Set Allow Everyone to Discover Me and choose your iPhone. Drag the music files to AirDrop to transfer to your iPhone. Use MediaMonkey. Install and open MediaMonkey on your PC. Go to File, add Reskin Tracks, and select your music folder. Connect your iPhone via USB. Click the iPhone icon in MediaMonkey to transfer the music. Part 2. Copy music to iPhone from computer with iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone. Add music if needed. Select Music, check Sync, and choose Remove and Sync. Click Apply, then Sync. On iPhone, open Music Library Songs.